Hey girlfriend, welcome to Shopping with a Stylist here in New York City. This is a series where I'm going to take you to some of my favorite places in the city to shop, and I'm going to share with you some tips on how to better shop for your body shape as a woman over 40. That way, it doesn't matter whether you plan to come to New York City, you have no intention of coming to New York City, or you're only dreaming of such, you will still get some value from this video. Our first stop is Housing Works. This particular one is on West 17th Street and 6th Avenue, and it is a phenomenal thrift store. It isn't your kind of jumble sale, things are all over the kind of place thrift store, more organized, and sometimes you can even find things with brand new tags on them. Yes, those actually do exist. So I can't wait to take you inside and show you what there is. Oh, and if you're new to me, I am Tracy Gold. I'm a personal stylist and designer here in New York City, and I offer shopping tours and makeovers. I'll tell you a little bit about that later on in the video. Let's go inside. As I said, definitely not the typical jumble sale vibe here. You have everything from amazing artwork, decor pieces, and shoes, bags, clothing. One of the things that I love about Housing Works is their layout. Things are really well organized, but you are going to have to go through items one by one. Remember that when you're thrifting, they are one of a kind items. So you do need to take a little bit of time and go through these things to find your sizes, but they are in good categories. You can see here they have pants, they have skirts, tops, and then they also categorize sometimes by color. One of the things that I find helpful is being prepared to shop out of season. So at the moment, it's piping hot outside, but you can see here that they've got quite a few fall pants, tweeds, and that kind of thing. If you are prepared to shop outside of season, sometimes you can even get items that they have on sale, even from normal thrifted prices, which means you get a really good bargain. Just make sure that you always buy things that are going to suit your body shape, work with your personal style, and your existing wardrobe. If you don't need it or don't love it, it's not a good buy. Now I'm going to try on a few items just to give you a feel of what's available. They are a definite winter pair of pants. They're quite a thick fabric, and I love the look of them. I love the drape. I love the whole vibe of them, and they are, get this, $20. So as I say, if you're prepared to shop out of season, you can get some fabulous pieces. I love this dress. Uh-oh, tummy alert. This is one of the challenges with being a woman over 40, especially in perimenopause, is that our tummies tend to be the biggest area of bugbear and sometimes the hardest to dress. Now, if this was just a little looser in the tummy area, it would be perfect, and I think I'd have to have it. But in this case, I'm definitely going to give a pass. I do not want clothes that I have to wear shapewear to wear comfortably. Okay, next up is Beacon's Closet. This is my absolute favorite thrift store of all thrift stores in New York City. It is a hit and miss situation. Sometimes you come here and there's a ton, sometimes there's not much. That's just the nature of thrifting. However, I have found some incredible gems here, and I can't wait to show you inside. Now, one just little side note, make sure to wear comfortable, stylish shoes when you come to New York. So, no Carrie Bradshaw shoes. That's not going to do the trick unless you are going in taxis everywhere, which will take you forever, and you're not going to see the best sights in New York City. The best thing to do is walk around and just soak up all the fun and the city living and the kind of excitement that's palpable in the air. If you catch taxis everywhere, you're just not going to get that. I gotta warn you, this place is overwhelming. It is small, it is full, it is cramped, but it's also so delicious. Look at these amazing colors and prints. What helps a lot when you are going thrifting, whether it be in New York or whatever city you live in, have an idea of what you're looking for. What this will do is it will narrow your focus. Although it doesn't look like it looks like a mushmash of things, they actually have this well organized into colors. So they've got jackets and tops and blouses according to color. They've got pants, and then they've got long dresses. This makes it much easier to find what you're looking for. Again, when thrifting, bear in mind that you're going to have to look at a piece by piece, because it's not like in a department store where you have items all in different sizes, and there's a lot less to look at. Here you can find incredible designer items like this Alice and Olivia sweater for $44. So not exactly cheap, but certainly not what you would normally pay in stores. If you have an idea of the colors that suit you and that you normally gravitate towards, you're gonna find shopping in a store like this so much easier. Again, I want to say be prepared to shop out of season, because here you can see that we have these amazing leather jackets, like $49. And even though it's piping hot outside, I'm gonna love one of these for the fall. Again, fabulous pair of shoes. Not gonna wear them now, but wow, they would be amazing for fall for $54. Yes, thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna try on a few things just to give you an idea of what's in store. This is a White Horse Black Market jacket for $24.95. I mean, that's pretty incredible. And if I didn't have one that was really similar to this already, I think I'd have to have it. So again, don't buy a lot of the same kind of things, especially if you're coming to New York City. You want something that's a little different from what you normally buy. Uh-oh, look at the fit of these. So this is just a reminder not to get worked up about sizes. You are gonna have items from different eras in these stores. So take a couple of things, try them on, and try not to take it too seriously if they don't fit you right. Now on our way to Union Square, where is our next stop, if you're feeling a little bit peckish or downright starving, this is a really good place to go. This is one of my personal favorite. I am vegan, plant-based. There are amazing things, but there's something for everybody in there. Phenomenal food. Sit down, enjoy the AC or enjoy the heat, get refreshed, and let's get ready for our next stop. One of the things to look forward to about New York are these spontaneous performances in the street. Make sure to tip them, especially if you're photographed and filming. Don't be that person. Here we are at Union Square, and across the street is Nordstrom Rack. It's a really nice big one. Brace yourselves, girlfriends. This is gonna be a little overwhelming. When you come into a store like Nordstrom Rack, you're gonna see a ton of amazing designer brands at massive discounts. Now, in order for it not to be so overwhelming, if you have an idea of the kind of brands that you like, this is going to narrow your search and make it much easier. My suggestion is start with the brands that you know and love, and then be open to some brands that maybe you haven't heard about or things that just catch your eye. Oh, look at this shoe selection. It is so hard to come out of this place without another pair of shoes. They don't just have designer brands, they've also got your everyday brands that you know and love. And if you're lucky enough, you could catch it at a clearance sale. Here you can see items are really well priced. So you do need to go through them. Luckily, Nordstrom Rack organizes them according to brand and size. Now let's talk about the size again. Be open to trying on various sizes. Here with this jacket, I tried on the size that I normally take, and it was definitely not big enough. Whereas the pants or the skirt kind of thing was a perfect fit. So I went up on the size on the jacket and true to size on the skirt. Again, try not to take sizes too seriously. It's going to make the shopping experience so much better. If you need a little pit stop, Union Square is a great place to go and get a takeaway lunch and just sit underneath the trees and relax. So if you're coming to the city and you want to get everything done super quick, New York style, then I do offer shopping tours as a personal stylist. So I'm not just taking you to stores and showing you the stores, I'm actually teaching you how to shop and helping you get the pieces that are going to work for your personal style, your body shape, your lifestyle as a woman over 40. So if that is exciting to you, I will put the details in the description box below. And by the way, if you're coming with a friend or two, there's options for that too. I'll see you soon. Till the next video, I'll see you then.